Hello, welcome to this very short video on the DAX formula summarize. Okay, so summarize allows you to be able to aggregate data in a table in such a way that you can even specifically pick out the columns you want and do computation on value fields that you want to compute for the different uh, aggregated data record row. Okay, so here's what I want to do. I'm going to pull out from here all the branches and then the different products, different pizzas each branch sells, and then also the total sales quantity, right, as a separate table. Okay, so I click on the new table. I'm going to call the table branch product sales quantity table. And then the main thing, it's me using the formula summarize. Okay, so the way summarize works is you provide the table name. The table is pizza sold, so I provide the table name, and then you provide the columns. You can see group by what column name. If you're familiar with SQL, then you know this is like aggregate formula in SQL. Okay, so I provide the different columns in the order I want to extract them. So I need it to bring out for me the different branches we have in our data, and then the different products that are uniquely sold in the branches. Okay, and I want it to do a computation. So this is the third category of things I need to provide. We've done the provision of the table name, the different columns you want to pick and group by. Then the last bit I'm going to do is provide a name for the column where I'm going to do an expression, sort of an aggregation, right? So I'll call it the total sales quantity field, right? And the aggregation it should do for me is a summation of all of the quantities for each of those different products by branches. Okay, and I close the entire bracket and I do enter, and instantly it's done. So this is how aggregate works. If you notice, it's pulled up the branches and the products we sell in those branches and the total sales, you know, by those products and those branches and the branch, and done like that for across all of my tables. So if you see my original table, there are about 5,000 records there, but then this has aggregated by the way I've specified, giving me a much lesser total number of rows. So thank you.